Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming fuel is off and the area is safe. Turn the gas valve to OFF, wait 5 seconds, then move to pilot position. This prevents live flow while you prepare. Make sure glass or doors are open so you can see the pilot. If your unit has an igniter, position your hand on the button. If not, hold a long lighter near the pilot. You do this to control flame ignition and avoid accidental full burner lighting. Once ready, press the control knob to pilot and hold it down. That allows a small steady gas flow to the pilot orifice. While maintaining pressure, press the igniter button repeatedly or bring a long lighter tip to the pilot flame target until you see ignition. Keep holding the knob for 30 to 60 seconds so the thermocouple heats and registers a safe flame. Then, slowly release the knob. The pilot should stay lit because the thermocouple tells the after the pilot is stable, turn the control knob from pilot to on to allow the main burners to light. You should see an even, steady flame across burners. If flame is weak, make sure vents and logs are placed correctly. If the pilot won't stay lit, the thermocouple may be loose or dirty. Tighten its nut and clean the pilot orifice with compressed air, then retry. If you ever detect a gas odor, shut the valve off, ventilate, and leave the premises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.